Hair and scalp conditioner. Soothes tight scalp. Helps eliminate itching. Leave-in conditioning. Taliah Waajid for children Tangles out today leave-in conditioner Detangler, conditioning spray that detangles even the tightest tangles. Tangles out today repairs damage and breakage as well as moisturizes and conditions. This all-natural detangling spray softens any curl type to make it easier to comb and manage. Ingredients: deionized water, Aqua, Cetearyl alcohol, and Cetrimonium bromide, Propanedial, Glycerin, Ricinus Communis, Castor, seed oil, Glycine Soja, Soybean, oil, Tocopheryl acetate, vitamin E, Butyrospermum Parkii, Shea butter, Parfum, fragrance, Methylchloroisothiazo-linone, Methylsothiazolinone. Top reviews from the United States. Great moisturization. I am so thankful I found this product. My son is mixed race, black, white, and his hair is curly with a tendency to be very dry. This product moisturizes his hair perfectly. I have used it on his hair when it is dry as well as when it is wet, and it works beautifully. This is a must-have in his haircare routine. I have included a photo from when his hair was at its driest, and a photo of his hair after using this product. The affordable price is a wonderful bonus.